Okay, let's get started. I'm going to go through the user interface, a little bit about view commands, then drawing lines. I want you to learn a couple of new terms. What's a traverse? What's an azimuth? What is a bearing? What's the relationship between the azimuth and the bearing? And then the first assignment, which is about creating a traverse drawing, and our first quiz. This is for the civil engineering class here at Santa Clara University. No two users use AutoCAD the exact same way. You have to figure out how to interface with the software so you are efficient and you want to have fun. You want to make it easy to use the software for you. You do have to get familiar with how to use the mouse. AutoCAD requires you to know the difference between the right and left mouse buttons as well as the scroll wheel. In general, the left button is used to select elements in the screen, and the right button allows you to access shortcut menus and also repeat commands and click cancel or enter to exit a command. You need to be able to organize your files, so figure out where you're saving your work. You need to know how to access the tutorials and get help. So if you look inside of AutoCAD, if you're on the Start page, you have Autodesk Projects, you have Learning, so you can click on Learning, you can get tips and tricks, and there are also videos you can watch. So you need to understand the user interface. This is an important video for you to watch just so that you can get a head start on how to work in AutoCAD. For help, you can click on Online Help, and that will bring up a browser. And that brings up the browser menu. And you can enter a keyword. So I highly recommend if you're taking a quiz and you get a little bit stuck, you can enter the keyword here on the quiz, and you might get a tip on what the answer would be. You also have access to a community forum where you can post questions, and Autodesk requires that their software developers and project managers spend a minimum of 10 hours a week on the AutoCAD forum answering questions and seeing where students are getting hung up. So this is a really great resource to learn and get your questions answered. Do not bother going to customer support. You're a student, so you're not a paying customer. So Autodesk isn't going to respond to your questions. It's a waste of your time. So unless you're a business with a business account, you're not going to get support from here.